What is the key to good business? Is it about giving the perfect gift, knowing which hands to shake, or pleasing the right people? With the way business is conducted in the Philippines, it's not hard to see why 30% of Filipinos perceive businesses as corrupt. Where business means profits and good equals more, people become willing to pay the cost of corruption at the expense of others. Corruption in all its forms has not only exacerbated poverty, but has also prevented a level playing field for businesses. In an environment where ethics is a handicap, we ask, can good business be clean business? This is where the Integrity Initiative comes in. Started by the Makati Business Club and the European Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines in 2009, the Integrity Initiative is a private sector-led campaign that attempts to strengthen ethical standards in society and aid the country in its fight against corruption. Calling on organizations to work together towards common goals, the initiative harnesses the best corporate values and practices to level the playing field, which will benefit both producers and consumers. Its first endeavor is Project Shine, a 4-year undertaking supported by Siemens Germany that aims to institutionalize and promote honesty, transparency, and fairness within organizations through the use of control measures and integrity validation systems. Project Shine began in 2011 with the launch of the Integrity Pledge and Unified Code of Conduct for Business. The project has hit several milestones since then, each year getting closer to its target of creating a unified standard on integrity. This will initiate a change from within signatory companies and radiate outward on a collective basis. Today, the number of companies pledging their commitment to the campaign continues to grow as more and more government agencies and industry leaders from all over the country join in the effort of establishing a new ethical norm in the country. Any organization, local or foreign, big or small, can do its part in building good businesses to support a national campaign against corruption. The first step is the easiest but most crucial: to set the tone from the top. Heads of companies and senior officials must sign the Integrity Pledge, a formal and concrete expression of commitment to abide by ethical business practices. The pledge also tasks them to oblige members of the organization to behave with integrity and carry on their responsibilities ethically. To solidify this commitment, companies must adopt the Unified Code of Conduct for Business, or UCCB, which is a harmonized version of codes of conduct of several companies in the Philippines. Signatories to the pledge must then undertake an integrity self-assessment, wherein companies can check their compliance with the Unified Code of Conduct for Business through an online diagnostic tool, consisting of 74 ISA statements that revolve around 5 focus areas. This secure and user-friendly tool will help companies discover their existing level of organizational integrity practices, which is determined by the score that they acquire at the end of the assessment. The integrity self-assessment results are validated by an external body accredited by Integrity Initiative. This validation gives credibility to the self-assessment performed by the signatory company. The team of validators, who are made up of 2 or 3 individuals, will review the rating, collect objective evidence, and conduct document reviews and interviews to verify scores per focus area. The validated ratings will provide a signatory company a good reflection of their integrity systems. There are 5 ratings: not done, beginning, expanding, consistent, and advanced. Learning interventions such as integrity forums will be implemented to address the gaps based on the validated integrity self-assessment results. Through this thorough and rigorous validation process, companies can identify the areas of strength and opportunities for improvement that can be used for planning and designing integrity improvement strategies. It is only after undergoing the whole procedure that companies can finally earn certification, which will not only lead to certain government incentives, but also to sustain competitive advantage both in local and global industries. As companies take the lead in propagating positive change in the Philippines, there is more reason to believe that clean business is good business. The nationwide adoption of ethical business practices will not only level the playing field, it will also lead to more foreign investments, more employment opportunities, and more loyal customers. It's about time we do our part in wiping out corruption and start redefining what good business really means. Learn more about how you can be part of the movement at www.integrityinitiative.com.